Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 3 unit 2 citizenship. It is lesson number 5 for all to use. Here are the answers of questions. The answer of question number 1 is we use the services of street cleaners, the postman, the police and the firefighters. This is the answer of question number 1. Answer of question number 2 is through an election by voting and choosing the people who will make the rules for us. This is the answer of question number 2. Next, question number 3. Answer of question number 3 is it decides how much tax we have to pay. It provides us with services such as building roads and public buildings. It provides us with water, electricity and transport. This is the answer of question number 3. And next, question number 4. The answer of question number 4 is tax is money collected from the citizens which is used to provide services for them. This is the answer of question number 4. This is the lesson number 5. Now the next lesson of unit 2 citizenship. It is lesson number 6. It is services. Lesson number 6 is services. Here are the answers of the questions of services. The answer of question number 1 is a firefighter, policeman, doctors and nurses. Answer of question number 2, part 1 is yes, and the part 2 is the fire engine was going to the site of a fire to put it out, and an ambulance was rushing a patient to a hospital for treatment. This is the answer of question number 2. The answer of question number 3 is the job of the police is to keep us and our property safe. This is the answer of question number 3. Now next, it is again unit 2 citizenship. It is lesson number 7 transport. The answer of lesson number 7 transports are, the answer of question number 1 is a tanker carries oil and fuel such as petrol and diesel. This is the answer of question number 1. Next, answer of question number 2 is a ferry carries people and cargo across a river or a water channel. This is the answer of question number 2, lesson number 7. Answer of question number 3 is traveling by air is the fastest way to travel. Next, answer of question number 5 is part 1 is always cross at a zebra crossing. B, before crossing a road, make sure you look both ways. Look first to your right, then to your left, and once again to the right. If there is no traffic coming from either side, you may cross the road. This is the answer of question number 5. This C section is also the part of the question number 5. Do not cross from behind a parked vehicle. ठीक है, do not cross from behind a parked vehicle. This is also the answer of question number 5. Answer of question number 6 is the driver may become distracted by the noise or talk and cause an accident. This is the answer of question number 6. The answer of question number 7 is traffic rules are important for our safety and for preventing accidents. They are given in the highway code. This is the answer of question number 7. Today we have completed the unit 2 of social studies class 3. Unit 2 is citizenship. Today we study the answers of lesson number 5, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7.